This is what I wasn't sure. I didn't know if there was a wall here, and I wanted to see
Yeah,
that. Okay.
And there's a door out to the backyard.
Can you take some pictures?
I'm doing videos, yeah.
Okay, all right.
If you let me know what dimensions you need, so we can.
I just kind of I want to see down here because I wasn't sure about that.
Because we're thinking about putting the master down there, kind of, you know.
The door is okay.
So,
Good idea, though.
yeah. Okay, first bathroom, the main floor. Come out. Decent little bedroom, but that'd be a good office. Bigger bedroom, I don't know what that over there. This would be Alex's room and closet. This would be the guest room, pretty big room. Closet. Okay, going back downstairs. Kitchen's gonna need to be updated. Washer and dryer in there. Okay, the big family room.
10. There's 2, there's 12.
Do you know what? Oh my God.
Second bathroom. You're kidding?